Greetings to all of you. I am Mr. Rajput, leader of the CMP group project. And here is my team, Priyanshu Patel, Jaditya Singh and Preet Doshi. We are here to present our project which is known as LATHE Centre of LATHE. Now I would like to call Priyanshu Patel for the design process.
Hello guys. So I am here to explain about the designing which I had made in SolidWorks software. So the LATHE center's diameter is 38 mm, depth is 200 mm, and in which 25 mm is the capital portion, 40 mm is the null portion, and 135 mm is the turning portion. Now this LATHE center has been made with the fine steel material, and the real LATHE center is being made from high-speed steels. So further operations and procedure will be explained by Jaditya Singh Pawar.
So hello guys, here I am going to explain you the manufacturing process of the workpiece. So let's start. So first of all, we did table turning operation with the help of single point cutting tool. Then for better treatment, we used knurling tool. Then we did grooving of 5 mm. Then we did turning with the reference of grooving. Then we did facing with the help of single point cutting tool. And here I am going to call my friend Preet Doshi for the application of our workpiece.
The application of the LATHE Centre of LATHE to hold the workpiece from both ends. Here I conclude our presentation. Thank you.